So an area chart is just like a line plot. The only difference between a line plot and an area chart is that the area below the line in an area chart, it is shaded. So let us have an area chart here. So we're going to go to insert. Then under the line, you can see there is 2D area chart. So click on a 2D area chart. Click on a 2D area chart. And then click on the empty area chart. Then select data, add the data entry. So we have the cotton cells in this case. And the cotton values are going to be highlighted, then okay. Then horizontal axis labels will have the years. And you're done. So what you realize with an area chart is that the area under the line is shaded. The interpretation is just the same as the one for a line plot. You can see here the cells were at peak in the year 1998. And the lowest sales was recorded in probably 1993. But the problem of an area chart is that if you have more than two variables, these area charts, they are going to be overlapping and they may make it very hard to read the chart. That is the problem with the area chart.